So they finally got the fountain going.
Yeah. Kickstand was in the water.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, exactly, man. Drive safe.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too, man.
Well, start right at downtown square. Figure it's a good way to start off the video. Supposed to have Canada Day celebrations today. It's Happy Canada Day. I'm hoping later I'll go out and get some firework videos. I want to go out and do a night ride tonight. I don't know where I'm going to go ride to. I'm just going to kind of ride around, explore, adventure for the Canada Day celebration, see what people are doing, see what's going on around town, and yeah. Maybe I'll find something. I don't know. God knows. In a little bit, when Tyler's awake, he's going to join me on his bike, I think. But right now he's sleeping, so won't be for a little bit yet. So for right now, it's just me solo riding, kind of adventuring. Let's go get a car wash, get this thing cleaned up, actually. Treat it nice for Canada Day. I'll be right back. I'm going to clean up the bike for Canada Day, get a nice sparkly finish. And then, yeah, I'll start filming again after that. But this thing needs a clean. I don't clean it enough. Holy shit, it's a compensator. Alright, so the bike's nice and squeaky clean. I'll show you guys that in a second. I was just riding around. Oh my gosh, bless me. I made it around the corner. And because today's Canada Day, oh my gosh, the amount of cops that are out is insane. I mean, I'm okay with it, because people aren't going to drive like idiots. But there was like one cop right in front of me, and then there's another cop coming towards me, and then there was a cop in a parking lot on my right. This is all on the road that just the car wash is on. And I was like, what the fuck is going on? Like, I know it's Canada Day, but that is like excessive. I was like, holy shit. I guess I'll pull up right here for a second and show you guys. Nice and clean looking. Freshly cleaned. I did the full rinse, used soap and everything. Mind you, the pedals are, yeah, they're just there. Whatever. I'm thinking maybe we go hit the trail. I don't want to hit a really dirty one. Oh, there's a big homeless thing there, my god. Yeah, I don't want to go hit like a big trail. Like a, not necessarily a big one, but like a popular trail. And I don't want to hit a dirty one. So, I don't know if I'm actually going to hit a trail. We're going to go through the south side. It's getting close. There's like 2 more hours, and then they're going to have a whole bunch of events going on. So once the events start down there, it's going to get busy, and that's when it's going to be more fun. It's going to be full of fucking cops, I know that, because I was going like 2-3 years ago. I'll put up some pictures or videos if I can of the Fat Tire bike down there. And I'd always go down and watch the fireworks. I'd be on the Fat Tire, which was, at the time, stupid powerful. And because the technology was so new, it was like, nobody knew what it was. And I was flying with cars, so it was kind of like, what the hell? And I was down there all the time. So it was like a heat score, I guess, or a really, really bad target. So I'd bring it down there all the time, and it was chill. So we're going to go down there tonight. I'm going to see if we can get some other Surrons come, and maybe we can get some nice photos, but at least we're going to check out the fireworks and see what they have going on for events. There's a lot of people down there, my god. Oh wow, there's a lot of people already. There's still hours to go. Like I said, 2 more hours before any of the events actually start down here. But there's a lot of people. I think I'm going to go chill at the skate park, hang out there for a little bit. I wonder if I can get a drink here, if they're open. Oh, damn. Oh yeah, they already got a handful of people down here. I don't know what that guy said. I'll be able to tell in the audio after, but I don't know what he said. Yeah, they had security here the other day. I don't know why the security's not here right now and the people are actually coming. That doesn't make much sense. Let's go see what these kids are up to. There's always somebody down here willing to do some tricks. Just you?
What?
Just you today?
What?
Just you here today?
Yeah.
That's weird. Normally there's a bunch of kids.
Yeah.
Should I hit this today? Oh no, that's way too vertical. That's a little scary.
Yeah.
On this thing, this is a little scary. Oh, you've been skateboarding for a minute.
Yeah.
Definitely. I think I cleared it.
Yeah, you did.
I overshot that a little bit.
Yeah.
I was trying to kind of land like nice and kind of box it, but that was an overshot for sure. Murphy. All you're gonna see is like a dirt bike down here. Alright, well, have a good day. Figure I'll just come down, kind of bug whoever's down here. Whee! Man, I fucking cleared that thing. I was not meaning to clear that entire thing. And we fucking sent it. Jesus. But we landed pretty smooth. So I'm not worried about the bike too much, but that was a pretty good send. Hi, sign. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Another one. That's pretty stable. It's gonna hit it one time. Just one time. Just one nice little jump off that. That's fucking big. That's a nice lift. My god. My god. I gotta bring Tyler back on that thing. Okay, we'll be back. I'm gonna bring Tyler through there. That's nuts. Alright, bringing Tyler to that jump. I'm gonna show him what I meant by the sidewalk is kind of fucked. The sidewalk is beyond crooked. I was like, ain't no way. That one's like, it's not as like tall, but steeper, so you fly off better. This guy. He's like, yup. It's a nice little look. I think this side's better to hit it from. Hitting it from the other side's way better, I think. I think this way's better. Look at this guy on the bike. He's like, wait, what? I think these guys are like, what the fuck? Ooh, lost a little traction there. All right, we got happy. We're gonna have a little bit bigger of a ride. We'll see where it takes us.